Okay, guys, today we are discussing about paper 2 on specimen paper for IGCSE as extended math. As you can see in the shared screen right now, I will share the screen for a while here. Okay, so this is the paper that we're going to discuss for 2025. So for your explanation, for the preparation for your IGCSE test, especially for those who took extended math 0580. Let's start. I have the file here. So first thing first, you need to understand, you have to take notes that your candidate name is always on your list. And it has to be capital. For example, my name is Bobby. So write Bobby like this. Bobby Robson. And the center number is, this is two letter, and number, depend on your school, depend on your center school. And the candidate number is also shown in your list later. Okay, everything has to be in capital later. And in this year, we are doing the non-calculator part on paper 2, which took you 2 hours. So you have to manage your time properly. Then what you need is a geometrical instrument, for example, what do you call, protractor, and also ruler and compass. Okay, protractor for calculating angle, measuring angle. Compass is for making a circle with a certain radius. Okay, now, so the pages consists of 18 pages, and the list of formulas are given. You can see it later. If you print this out, you will get a benefit for it. Okay, for the exercise. Okay, now we are discussing. I will turn off my video. We focus on the questions. Okay, guys. For this question, number one, work out 0.01 to the power of 2. Power means you multiply the same number. I think I prefer use a fraction in order to make it more simple. So if I have 0.01, it has to be 1 over 100. Why? Because it has 2 decimal places. And you multiply twice. So 1 over 10,000. And you cannot answer this because this is in the form of decimal. So the answer is supposed to be decimal also. So 1, you put the 0 4 times to the left. 1 decimal 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the decimal marks. And you put, as you're imagining, you put an egg to each curve. So 0.0001. 0.0001. That's the answer. If fraction, I'm afraid that it's wrong. Why? Because decimal require you the decimal number also. Okay. Now, number 2, correct to 4 significant figures. So the significant figures that you need to understand is every number. This is the shortcut. Every number except 0 on the left. This is the idea. So in this number, in this case, all are significant figures, and you have to count from the left to the right. 1, second significant figure, third, and fourth. You have to finish here, but focus. If it is 9, increasing the value becomes 4, right? So it will affecting the next number, the previous number. So 57.40. If you write 57.4, it's wrong, because 0 here is considered as a significant figure. So 57.40. Okay, this is the shortcut, by the way. There are some more explanations. 0 on the right might be significant figure, might not be a significant figure also. But we can skip that for a while. Remember, no calculator is used here. Number 3, Amy changes 250 euros to dollars. The exchange is 1 euro. I write down here, is equals to $1.1. So what is the number of dollars Amy receives from 250. So you have to put 250 euros on the left here. According to the proportional rule, 1 over 250, so you multiply by 250 like this, very simple, right? According to the proportional rule, you have to multiply with the same number, okay? So I prefer you to do that. Now, how do you solve? Okay, 11 over 10, right? 1.1 is 11 over 10 times 250. Just think simple. So 25 times 11, you get 250 and 25, so $275. Okay. Now, number 4. The diagram shows two triangles, ABD and ADC. And AB equals to AC. Therefore, if we have this clue, we have to understand that it's following that the ABC is equilateral. No, sorry. ABC is not equilateral. Isosceles triangle. Okay. Why isosceles? Because two sides are equal. Then we can conclude that this angle is also same with 61. So 61 here. And work out the angle DAC. It's getting easier. DAC is here. And according to the triangle rule, we focus on triangle ADC. The sum of all the angles are 180 degree. So work out the angle DAC as simple as 180 subtract 81 plus 61, put the bracket. Okay, you can do this as well, but I don't recommend you. You better add than subtract twice. Subtract 142. We get 38. Okay, 2 marks. 1 mark for finding this, and the other mark for the finisher. Okay. Convert this meter into cm cube. Meter square to cm square. So write down the conversion unit. M, dm, cm, millimeter. Actually, we have so many. We can start from kilometer. HM, DAM, M, dm, cm, millimeter. And some of your teacher might give you the step like this, but for the sake of placement, we go horizontal. Go right, you multiply. Sorry? HM, hectometer. So if you go right, you multiply by 10. Okay. But if it is square, you multiply by 10 square. There you go. Then from meter square to centimeter square, you go right by twice. Then you multiply by 1,000, 10,000. So multiply by 100 and by another 100, right? Because it's 2 steps, step 1, step 2. Cross out, you get 1,700 or 1,700 centimeter square. Okay. Again, no calculator is used. Number 6. The mass of a solid metal cuboid is 4 kilogram and the volume is 600 centimeter cube. Calculate the density that is given by the formula mass over volume in, look, gram over cm cube. So first thing first, you need to convert the mass to grams. Remember, 4 grams, how many grams? 4 kilogram, how many grams? 4,000. We just multiply by 1,000. The volume is 600. So make it fast. Yeah. Density equals mass, which in grams over 600. Then you can cross out. We get the decimal answer here, 40 over 6. 40 over 6 gram over centimeter cube. And then you can simplify further. 20 over 3. 6, 2 over 3. I don't know whether your proctor will allow you to answer this or this. but I put both. Decimal 6.67, yeah, I think so. I think it can be. 6.6 is too slow, too low. Oh, if the working is right, but the answer is wrong, might be get 1 point only. I don't know. So I think this is the best answers for so far. 6.6 dot. Okay, that's better, more accurate, right? Because dot means the recurring number. Yeah. So we have 4 possible answers here. 6.67 is the rounding number, and this 3, that what I highlight, is the accurate number. So this is the rounding, the 6.67. Okay, keep focus. Keep focus, guys. Number 7, we are doing matrices. Okay, or factors. You write down 3, -2. Subtract 2v. What is 2v? -24. You multiply both and 10, right? -24 and 10. You multiply by both x and y. So 3 plus 24, and then -2 minus 10. We get 27 and -12. Find the magnitude of v. So the formula of the magnitude is always x squared plus y squared, and do the Pythagoras rule. Just solve it. V squared, v is -12 squared. Put the bracket on the negative to mark for the calculation, of course. Right? Yeah. Here also, we make it fast, 13. Because 144 plus 25, or you can use the triple Pythagoras rule. Square root 169 is 13. Okay, next. Now, so some of the working you might get minor mistakes here, but it's totally wrong. Calculate the total perimeter of this semicircle. So first thing first, you need to count all the curvy part here, which is the half of the circumference. We need to understand, we need to memorize the circumference of a circle is pi d, but we only take half, right? So the perimeter of a shape here is half pi d. Don't forget to add the straight line, the diameter itself. Okay, so we are focusing on this straight line. Some of you might miss this number. Okay, the diameter is 9. Pi d is the circumference, or half times pi in exact form, guys. So you don't have to round the number at all. Plus d plus 9. So the answer you just put inside 9 over 2 pi plus 9, or 9 bracket half pi plus 1, or you can have so many possibilities, 4.5 pi plus 9, or 4.5 pi plus 9. Don't put the pi as 3.14. 13.5? No. Why? Because this pi and this are different, so we deal with the different variables. Only one, I think, for making the formula safe. Oh, yeah, might be 1 point or 2 points. Might be 2 points. Sorry? 1 or 2. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, make it worst case, yeah, 1.
Pi 9 pi plus 18 R2.
Pi
9 pi plus 18 R2.
9 pi bracket. Oh,
Sir.
How? 9 pi?
Plus 18. R2.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you can do it. So that's right. Same.
The answer 9 pi.
Wrong. I accept this. As long as you know how to modify this, it's right. Okay. Now, number 9.
So kalau formulanya pi r plus d juga sama.
Wrong. Pi r square is area. Pi d for the circumference.
Tapi the answer again for 1.5 doesn't.
Same. Okay, guys, now, yeah. 17 to 12, subtract 5, subtract 5, subtract 5, subtract 5, negative 3, right? 2 minus 5. And the Tn. Okay, according to this sequence, we know that this is an arithmetic sequence. Just make it fast. In arithmetic sequence, we are understanding that anip a plus and subtract 1 different. And at me, right? So a plus d bracket n minus 1. The a is 17. Subtract 5, right? The difference is 5. And subtract 1. Let n be n itself, right? Because it is according to the arithmetic rule. 17 minus 5n plus 5, which equals to 22 minus 5n, or negative 5n plus 22. I'm afraid that you only get 1 mark. Yes? Yeah, sure. Why? Because IGCSE actually give you this formula. We have the difference as negative 5, right? So you just put negative 5n, and then you are adjusting the right side. If T1, negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, becomes 17, you have to add 22. That's the fastest way, adjusting way. Yeah, no problem. Number 10. Okay, it's quite simple. 2 over 3, I make it bigger because we can convert this mixed number to the improper fraction easily. So 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 over 3. Plus 3.5, you multiply 6 plus 1, 7 over 2. And then we make the what you call the denominator same, become 6, and then 16 plus 21, 37 over 6, 6, 1 out of 6. If you want to make it fast, yes, yes. Sure. Here, from the mixed number, I have another way, and some of you might have the same way. Look at this, guys. Okay, focus. 2 plus 3, 5, keep for a while. And then you add the denominator. You add the fraction. Right? And then 5, 4, and 7. 7 out of 6. 7 out of 6 is 1 out of 6. Same way.
Can I see 9B again?
9B. Both of these answers are correct. Okay. I don't think that's right. I'm afraid that it's only give you 1 mark. 1 point only, 1 mark. Okay. So try to answer it until it cannot be simplified further. Okay. Simplify your answer. Okay, guys. For number 11, we have 64. Okay. So what is 64 can do? 8 times 8, right? 8 can be factorized further. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. You can do this. The factor 3, the simple factor 3, but it is a way longer working. I don't think it is necessary. And it will produce you the same answer, actually. So 64 is 2 power 6 to the power of 2 by 3. According to the exponent rule, if you have power to a power, you just multiply. You get 12 over 3, which is 4. So 2 power 4 or 16. Again, I'm not sure what answer that you can put, but for the safe play, 16. Play safe, yeah? Play safe. Yes. Oh, yeah, sure. 4 power 3 also. Okay, good question. Question answer. The 2 power 6 become 4 power 3, power 2 over 3, cross out, 4 power 2, also 16. So safest answer is 16. Yeah. Because we don't have any certain information convert into a whole number or in the index form. Okay, guys, continue, yeah. We are going harder. If you multiply the indices, you just multiply this number with number because we have multiplication. 14.2 times 10 power negative 15 if times you add 3, right? And then we have 14.2 times 10 power negative 12. But again, this still not a standard form. A standard form has to be in between 1 until 10. So you have to put the decimal one step to the left. One step to the left become 1.42. And then you are compromising the decimal. And also, if you go left, the decimal go add for the power. 10 power negative 11. This is the standard form. Yes. No, not one decimal, one digit, one place value. So the maximum place value is 1. So it has to be in between 1 until 10. 10 is not included. Wrong. Yeah. I think one more. I don't know. Yeah. Again, I've never been a proctor before. I've never been a Cambridge checker. So I just try to find the best answer. Okay, guys, look. For question B, it's slightly different, but it will create a fatal mistake if you do the same way. Okay, focus. Addition. If we have addition, you need to make sure that this power and this power has to be the same. Now, the tips is go for the higher power. Okay, go for the higher power. The higher power is 7. So this has to be adjusted. Okay, so this is 5.2. Let it be times 10 power 7 plus, remember, something times 10 power 7. You are adding the power by 1. If you add the power by 1, you go the decimal to the left. If you subtract the power by 1, you go the decimal to the right. That's for the compromising rule. You are from 6 to 7. You are doing 6 to 7, so you add 1. You're compromising the power to the left. 0.52. Then 5.72. 5.72 times 10 power. Is it 14? No, why? So what? 7, because it's additional, like 3a plus 2a is never be 5a squared, right? So times 10 power 7. That's the answer. Yeah. This is the tips. Yeah, you just add the number. Like 3a plus 2.5a, which equals to 5.5a, and so on. All right. So you treat the power becomes the variable. Okay. The power or 10x is the variable. Variable. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Okay, go. Next. Go for the higher power, yeah, guys. Adjust to the higher power. Okay, now number 13 requires you the rules of finding the sum of interior or sum of exterior angle. For every polygon, listen, the formula of sum of interior angle is n subtract 2 multiply by 180. And the sum of exterior angle for any polygon is 360. Okay, we have the clue of interior angle. Then, if you want to use this formula, you will find that it's very hard, right? What is the sum of interior angle? 162 times by n, right? Because one interior angle is 162. So the sum is 162 plus 162 plus 162 until amount of sides n equals n minus 2, you multiply by 180. See how wasteful it is? Okay, no problem. Do it. 180 and subtract 360. That is not wrong. This is a right way also, but way more unnecessary working. Negative 18n equals negative 360. So the n is 20, guys. That's all. But if you use the exterior formula, guys, listen. The interior is 162. What is the exterior angle? It's always producing a straight line, right? Interior and exterior added up to 180. Minus 162 becomes 18. The sum of exterior angle is 360. And one exterior angle is 18. Therefore, you can find the n. So this is another way, depend on the thing, on the perspective that you want to see. Over 18, we also get 20. Which one is easier? Choose. Okay. The more you memorize the formula, the more efficient you will get. Okay, number 14. This is quite challenging for number 14. Let's go, yeah. Yeah, you can just answer it right away. No logic required. I mean, only logic required, no formula required. All the mean, median, mode, and range are equal to 10. Remember. So let's say this is x. The smallest is x, guys. What is the greatest? X plus 10, right? Because the range is 10. So we cancel the range. The median is 10. Write down directly median is 10, right? And then the mode is 10. So at least we have 2 tens here, right? And this would be number that is greater than 10. Make sense for you? Let's say y. We don't know the answer yet. Okay, so if we do the working, this is the way. The mode is already 10 finished because twice. And the mean, what is mean? The median is also 10 given middle number. So what is the formula of the mean? Total over 5, right? The mean is 10. So the total has to be T. Wait, not 15, 50. Because 10 times 5. Then you make the algebraic rule x plus 10 plus 10 plus y plus x plus 10 equals 50. Does it make sense for you?
Yeah.
So 30. So this is 20. So 2x plus y equals 20. So you can get any number that will satisfy this rule. For example, can I pick x as 0? Yeah. If x is 0, do the trial and error. So this is 10. What is the y? Does it make sense? No, because y has to be in between 10 and 10. Oh, wait, okay. Another. If x is 5, let's say, make it easy number. What is the y? 2 times 5 is 10, right? 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus something equals 20. 10, right? Can we do? Why not? So we know that the x is 5 and the x plus 10 is 15. There you go.
Sir, what if I had
Everything is 10?
Yeah, I think one.
Wrong. Why? Because the range will be 0.
I thought the range is the max and the minimum, not the max.
Yeah, max minus minimum. That's right. Okay. So rewrite one more time. 5, 10, 10, 10, 15. 5, triple 10, 15. I think of the easiest way so everyone can solve without just guessing. You can guess actually, but if you guess right, why not? 4 marks, guys. So it requires you at least 3-4 steps of thinking. Okay. And we cross out the thing that we already did. Cross, finish. Yeah. Next. Oh, easy, bro. T to A. It's clearly seen rotation, right? Rotation by 90-degree clockwise, right? Because from T to A, clockwise, and remember, 3 marks means one more step center. So focus here, right? From here to here. Oh, easy. So find the 90-degree, and you can see it clearly seen for 3, right? From here, 90-degree. It's also applied on the other plane, yeah, on the other points. I mean, okay, guys, next. Okay, here. Use your diagram to estimate the median. Median is the middle number. We have 400 total data. So the median is about here. So this is the position of the median, not the median itself. And you are going down. Oh, 30. Easy peasy, bro. 30. Right down, 30. The interquartile range, you need to memorize formula. Q3 minus Q1. So the 75th% of the data, subtract by 25th% of the data. Don't have to plus 1 or minus 1. I saw one person do that. Q3, the second half. So we have 200, 400. So the middle is 300, right? 300 is here. So this is the position of Q3. Okay. I don't have ruler, so let's make a bit detail. There you go. Look, we have 5 blocks for 10 distance. So each block is 2, right? 32, 34, 36, 37, right? We haven't done. Subtract by the Q1. The position of Q1 is 100 from 0 to 200, the 25th% of the data. There you go. 17, right? 12, 14, 16, 17. Right in the middle, 17. We get 20. Now, the 80th percentile. Percentile means percent. 80% of the data of 400 we get on the 320th data, which is, look at this, 300. Oh, easy. Here, right? Go down, we get 40, right? Not 40, a bit less than 40, but you can say 39. 39 to 40. Yeah, 39 or 40, both of them are correct. Now, okay, guys, maintain your focus, please. The number of the plants with a height greater than 60, 60 centimeter. So, listen, the 60 is not here, but we are looking at the unit 60 centimeter here. And it has to be going up greater. So, on the 60 centimeter, let's see, what is the unit? What is the frequency? Wait, sorry, a bit laggy. Oh, dang it. Wait, guys, it's lagging. Oh, okay. Oh, a moment. Okay, guys, listen. So for each step, how many units? Hello, guys. For each step, how many units? 8. Because 40 divided by 5, 8. So it is about 364, let's say. Right?
Yeah, 364.
to 400 because we are finding the greatest, the greater. Yeah, 336. 368. Yes, you can, but it's too far. See,
Sir, what if I
I think it's too far. 364 better. 363, yeah, sure, no problem, because it's in between 360 and 368, guys. Look at the graph. See?
Sir, sir.
No, not yet. 364 to 400. I can make 364. You can do 363. But if 360 is too low and 368 is too high, right? So you can answer 364 better.
Is there one mark for like 40?
Yeah. I think so, yeah. 400 subtract 364. We have 20, no, 36. About 36. Again, guys, listen. For the marking scheme, they won't give you only one possible answer. They give you the range answer. Okay, guys, listen. Now, we need to calculate the class width to go for the frequency density. So the class width is the subtraction between the upper bound and lower bound for each class. 20, 10, 10, 40. You divide the frequency density formula, frequency over class width, right? Divide 6. Oh, we have 6 here. Finish. 80 divided by 10, 8. 8, 4, 10 class width. Right? And then take 1 to 4 divided by 10, 12.4. 12.4. Okay, see this. Right? Because 5 step, 2 units, 1 unit, 0.4. From 40 to 80, 7.76 divided by 40. Do the working manually. 1.9, right? 1.9 is almost 2. Okay, that's it. Okay, finish. Now, there you go. More complicated. Wait, BDA, BCD, wait. BDA, BCD. Wait, yeah, wait a moment. A1, A2, ABD. Why I write it down one more time? Because to avoid the scrolling. Okay, that's it. A moment, yeah, one more explanation, then give you the chance for question and answer. BDA. How do you find BDA? Actually, BDA and BCA are the same because they are subtended from the same arc AB 34 also. And then BCD. BCD. Okay. 180 subtract 174 because it's a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Remember the formula of the cyclic quadrilateral when the opposite angle are added up to 180 here. So they are added up to 180. Cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral inside the circle, 106. Okay, ABD. ABD, oh, easy peasy. Just look at the triangle. ABD. Wait, ABD. So 180, yeah, subtract 74 plus 34, 72, yeah. Okay, 34, 106, 72. 34, 106, 72. Yes, Felix first.
Sir, what if this is he entered the line.
No ruler, yeah, you have to use ruler then.
No,
Yeah, no, yeah, you have to put 1.9.
tapi ini 2.
Yeah, might be.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
Justin.
tadi yang saya itu dari itu, I magnesium minus
Yeah, you can do also. Okay, guys, listen. Now, in the diagram, ADX is similar to BCX. ADX, so I erase all. BC 4.5. BC 4.5. I write down. And then AD 9. And then CX 3.3 XD. CX 3.3 XD. Okay, guys, listen. So, in a similarity rule, similar means they are the same shape but different size. We have AD, we have 34 here and 34 there, right? AD is 9. BC is 4.5. Okay, so we can see that the triangle is half and twice of it, right? Listen, guys. The triangle is half or twice, depend on the perspective. You look at the bigger, so the other is half as big as them, as big as it. If you look at the smaller triangle, the other will be twice as big as the triangle. CX is 3.3. So as simple as to find XD, just multiply by 2, that's it. Because it's twice, so you multiply by 2. 6.6. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can do that also. 6.6. Okay, guys, that's for the harder question. Okay, listen. Now, function. Okay, you may pause the video if you think that you're tired. I also want to pause a video for a while and you can continue. Okay, function. Function of -3. You put the x as -3. So 3 minus 2 bracket -3. That's all, guys. I don't know what's wrong with some of you that get wrong. GF -3. Oh, we have F -3, which is 9. So we are finding G9, right? G9. So 2 times 9 plus 3, 21. There you go. B, okay, I admit that this is need a bit working. F -1x. F inverse, actually you are substituting x and the fx, right? So the gx first. Sorry, f ya. 3 minus 2x. You put y equals 3 minus 2x. You just copy paste this and you're subtracting, or not subtracting, switching between x and y. X equals 3 minus 2y. You just flip over and then find the y as a subject. 3 minus 2x. Sorry, 3 minus x. So y equals 3 minus x over 2. 3 minus x over 2. Write down. Okay, that's it.
Third. But answer negative x minus 3.
Wrong. It has to be negative x plus 3 over 2.
Negative bracket x minus 3.
Oh, okay. 2. Overthink, but it's right. Yeah, you can do that as well. Sorry? Wrong. I don't know.
Sorry. X minus 3.
Wrong. Okay, guys, listen. Gx 2x plus 3. Gx is 2x plus 3. I rewrite one more time. Gx. So you put, listen, guys. You put the G inside the G. So 2Gx plus 3. Better slow than wrong. Right? So 2x plus 3 plus 3. Okay, pay attention, guys. Plus 6 plus 3. We get 4 plus 9. Sorry. 4x plus 9. The answer is 7. So copy 7. Then negative 4x equals 2. Negative 2 over 4. Negative half. or negative 0.5. I prefer you to answer it in fraction. Okay, next, H inverse. We have Hx as 2 power x. Hx is 2 power x. So before we do, you have to understand what is inverse mean. Rather than you do the working like previously, I just do this. Can I just write h5 equals x? Yes. You only flip the x and 5 and annihilating the power 1. Okay. h5 equals 2 power 5, 32. Or if you want to keep the working like this, find x. Okay, to find x, log 2y. The x is and then y equals log 2x. Inverse is log 2x, wasting time. 5 equals log 2x, x equals 2 power 5. It's a waste of time. Just flip over, flip x to y. Hx, I mean. Not f, be careful. I did something wrong here. Yeah.
Sir, can you go to C again? C.
Something wrong? If you do the other way around, it will be negative 1 over 2 also. Okay, next. Simplify. Okay, guys. 32, I make it so slow. 2 times 16. I don't want to do 2 power 5. Why? Because 5 cannot be get out from the square root. 98 also 2 times 49. This is the trick. As long as you get the whole number, the square number, keep. Then you put the square number out of the square root. 6 becomes 4. Right? 49 becomes 7. Do the square root 2 left behind. 4 plus 17, 7, 11, square root 2. Not square root 4. Careful, because square root 2 and square root 3 is considered as a variable. Huh? Square root 4? Sorry? Wrong. 11 square root 4, totally wrong. Because square root 2 plus square root 2 is 2 square root 2, not 4. Wrong. Totally wrong. Has to be added because they are the same variable. Yeah, 1 mark, I think. Okay, guys, continue. Here, you multiply by its conjugate. Conjugate means plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, right? So we have plus. You multiply by its different. Why? Because according to the formula of a plus b times a minus b, you will get a squared minus b squared. Then on top of it, square root 2 minus 1, let it be square root 2 square minus 1 square. Square root 2 minus 1 over 2 subtract 1. Right? This is not 12, yeah? 1 square. So square root 2 minus 1 over 1, let it be. Multiplying it with its conjugate.
Yes.
Okay, now this sign, this is not a typo, guys. Go back, okay, for a while here. So this is the conjugate. Yeah, 1 mark. It cannot be full marks. According to this formula. Yes?
Yeah, the sheet of program.
No. But as long as you can write it thick enough. Okay, guys, for number 20, listen. So this is proportionality. So we can say that y is inversely proportion because 1 over 2 square root x. Then you can write down the formula y equals k over square root x. When y equals 8, the x equals 4. The k, let it be square root 4. Just put all the info. So 8 over k over 2. 8 equals k over 2. We get the k as 16. Back to the formula. 16 over square root x. Then y equals, find y when x equals 49, right down here. So 16 over 7. Why it is not minus? Yeah, you can do that as well. Right? Decimal, yeah, you can do. Or I prefer fraction. Again, if you ask me for the decimal, I'm not recommending you to do decimal. Better fraction. Either mixed or improper. Up to you. Yeah, in decimal. Here, 21 is hard. Let's see, guys. The area of a triangle is 11. The area is 39. Write down an expression in terms of x for the height of the triangle. The area of the rectangle, sorry, not triangle, is length times width, right? But it is in terms of height. Okay, we are finding h plus 2, right? So h plus 2, the height of the triangle, rectangle, is area over the length, which is x plus 1. The area is 39. So write 39 over x plus 1, let it be. Okay, keep focus, guys. It's getting harder. Now I ask you to focus and try to think with me together. Okay? Because if we do it together, I think you can make me an ease. Okay? Now, show that this okay. How do you show? First thing, the area is given 39, right? So the h plus 2 is 39 over x plus 1. So if you are showing this, by the way, we already do the rectangle, right? So try to use the area of a triangle. So area of triangle is half times base times height. Get it? So the area is 11, it's given. Half times by the base. What is base? X. Oh, we have x now. What is height? 39 over x plus 1, subtract 2, right? Does it make sense for you? You just switch the height by its number. So 39 over x plus 1, subtract 2. We can do another way, actually. But I think this is better. Better for the understanding. Okay? You multiply everything by 2. Then you will get 22 equals x bracket 39 over x plus 1 minus 2, right? You cancel the 2 on the left. You increase the number to the left and 2 to the right. Okay, now 22 equals 39x over x plus 1 minus 2x, right? You do the, what do you call, distributive flow multiplication using the rainbow rule. Then we still have the x plus 1 on the denominator. Try to cancel it. Try to avoid the denominator by multiplying it with x plus 1, right? So 22 bracket x plus 1 equals 39x subtract 2x bracket x plus 1. You multiply everything. Then 22x plus 22 equals 39x minus 2x squared minus 2x. Then you put everything to the left side, negative 2x squared, I put it here. And then 22x minus 39x become negative 17x plus 2x, 15x then. Oh, okay. Plus 22 equals to 0. Proven. See? QED. Now, by factorizing and solving. You can do factorization with so many possibilities, so many ways, but I prefer doing this by using a simple factorization, fishbone, like you taught me previously. We do 11 and 2, can we? Yes. 11x, 4x, negative 15x, both of them are negative. Then 2x minus 11, x minus 2 equals 0. The first x is 11 over 2, right? The second x is 2. Is it the answer that you put? No. We are finding h. What is h then? So back to original. Where is h? Oh, whoa, okay. Here. You can use this or the other with the triangle. But I prefer do this because it's clearly seen. 39 over x plus 1 minus 2. So h, 39 minus x over 2. Wait, am I right? 39 over x plus 1 minus 2. Sorry, wrong. 39 over x plus 1 minus 2. It's given on this. I don't know the score. Again, so sorry, I cannot answer it right away, but as long as you don't find the answer, you will get uh some marks only, partial marks. No, I didn't. Okay, that's right. Yeah, I think it's right. Okay, guys, continue. We can do the A area here. The area is half times x times height. So 11 equals half x height. Therefore, you can find the height with this 22 over x. I think this is better, yeah. 22 over x better, in my opinion. Okay, guys, change. We do with the other way, 22 over x. So the h is 22 divided by 11 over 2, which is 22 times 2 over 11, 4. 22 divided by 2, according to this rule, 11. 4 or 11. Okay, guys, find the exact value of x. We have the adjacent here and the hypotenuse. So we don't consider the opposite. We use cos. Cah, adjacent over hypotenuse. Square root 3 over 2 equals 8 over x. Do the crossing multiplication. 16 over square root 3. Still irrational number. You multiply by square root 3 over square root 3. 16 over 3 square root 3. That's it. Okay. Now, single fraction. Wrong. I think it's 3 mark. It has to be rational number. Wrong. Not totally wrong. Some marks, partial marks. Wrong. So you try to avoid the radical. Okay. Next, guys. Next. Do it fast. We do the equalizing the denominator. So 3, you multiply by x plus 3 minus 4, you multiply by x minus 4. 3x minus 4x, just do it fast. Okay, if you don't want to do it fast, do it slow. Minus 4x plus 16. You don't have to expand this denominator, let it be. If you want to expand, it won't be simple anymore. It won't be simple anymore, but it's still considered right. But on top, simplify. That's it. You can answer this also. Yes.
divided out minus 1.
I think it by itself. Felix. You know you know your answer is right or wrong, right? Yes? Yeah, wrong. No,
Wrong.
wrong.
Cannot.
Cannot. Has to be. Look at this, guys. Simple. I don't know. Yes? Okay, continue, yeah. 24. Now, number 24, it is about the completing square. If we have x squared minus 4x, you divide this by 2. Put the square, subtract 2 squared. The rules for complete square. And then add 7. So we have x minus 2 bracket square minus 4 plus 7. X minus 2 bracket square plus 3. Now, guys, please focus on the hard question. If we have the coordinates of the turning point, just pick this. Because the formula is x minus a bracket square plus b. The turning point is a comma b or h comma k. But we do a comma b. Just follow along. This. Yeah. If it is negative, the a is negative, take the positive. B follow. Formula. 25. The area of the larger shape is 36 centimeters square, while the area of the small shape is 25 centimeters square. Okay, guys, please focus. I running out of my voice. Use the area similarity rule. Area 136 over 25 equals 9 over x bracket square. So, think simple. Square root both sides. Better. Don't square. Let it be. Right? Oh, no. Just 9 over x. Right? Because you cancel the square root. Cross multiply. 9 times 5. I don't want to do 45. Because that's not our objective. We can simplify 9 and 6. Right? You can do 45 also, but not necessary. Okay. So this formula is this square root is a very fast way. It's a fast way to annihilate the power. If volume, you do cube for the sides. Next. Okay, one last question, guys. This is very hard. I have to admit that this is very hard. The last question requires you the higher thinking skill. See, one more, guys. Listen. We have 3, negative 3 until 4. I try to separate into negative 1, negative 2. This is 1, this is 2. This is 3, right? Just split into an equal section. Fx, if we have put 0, guys, listen, if I put 0, it will be on 0, 0, right? So put f negative 3, f negative 2. This is the way I can teach you the easiest. F1, F2, F3, F4. Do 1 by 1. But think simple. If x is 0, the value is 0 because 0 times anything is 0. Look at this. The 0 maker is negative 2. The factor is negative 2, right? So if I put x negative 2, it is 0 also, right? Because negative 2 times 0. If x is 3, 0 also. So we have 3 possible points. We already get 3 points here. Negative 2, 0, 0, 0, and 3, 0. Then you can go for -3, one by one. -3. Here, do from scratch. The answer would be -3 times -1 times -6, -18. Oh, we have, right? If -1, write it down, guys. You changed all the x by -1. -1, -1 plus 2, -1 minus 3. Oh, okay. -1 times 1 times -4. 4. Look at this. We have 24. So this is 12. You divide by 3 parts. This is 4. Right? If I put 1, change all. 1 times 3 times -2, -6. We have -18 is separate into 3 parts. This is -6. 1, -6. Now you can see, right? If 2, you put everything 2. You are not allowed to use calculator one more time. 2, 4, -1, -8. Okay, -6, -12, -8 is about here. Right? And then 4. I think if 4, we get 24. Yeah, you can test later. So we have all the points are connected. So it's a cubic equation passing through. There you go.
I don't want the exact.
No, because the 24 has to be put in. Yeah, make it detailed. Expand and simplify. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are breathing algebra right now. Right? X cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x squared minus 6x minus x squared minus 6x. Now, A is the point 1, comma, -6. A is the point 1, comma, -6. And guys, the tangent to the graph, so y equals x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. We are finding tangent which equals to derivative, dy dx. Tangent is always the derivative. Again, you put the power down, x squared minus 2x minus 6. You put x 1. So the gradient is 3 times 1 square minus 2 times 1 minus 6. We get 3 minus 2 minus 6, -7. Hey, no, -5. We have A and M, A and the gradient. Put y equals mx plus c. The y is -6, m is -5, x is 1 plus c. Now we get the c as -1, right? Just -5 plus 6. Sorry. That's right. -5 minus 6. -11, guys. Sorry. C equals -11. So the equation of the line, guys, equals mx plus c, which equals -5x plus or minus 11, right? And that's not the question. Meet the y-axis at B. Am I doing something wrong? See, -1, yeah. Oh yeah, -5. Sorry, -6 plus 5. Thank you. Yeah, I just answered -1, but I'm not sure. Okay, thanks. And meet the y-axis at B, meeting y-axis where xb equals 0, right? So xb is 0, and y equals -5 times 0 minus 1, -5. That's all. Crazy, bro. It's hard. Huh? -1. Okay. Wrong finisher. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all for the specimen paper. We discussed everything well. So let me know whenever you have any question in the comment section. Bye, guys.